Hello children, today we will learn essay on myself. Are you ready? Let's start. Repeat after me. My name is Anna. Again, my name is Anna. Now it's your turn, children. Great job. I am a girl. Again, I am a girl. Now it's your turn, children. Great job. I am 4 years old. Again, I am 4 years old. Now it's your turn, children. Great job. I live in Delhi. Again, I live in Delhi. Now it's your turn, children. Great job. My father's name is Mr. Aman. He is a doctor. Again, my father's name is Mr. Aman. He is a doctor. Now it's your turn, children. Great job. My mother's name is Mrs. Asha. She is a teacher. Again, my mother's name is Mrs. Asha. She is a teacher. Now it's your turn, children. Great job. I study in nursery. Again, I study in nursery. Now it's your turn, children. Great job. My hobby is drawing. Again, my hobby is drawing. Now it's your turn, children. Great job. Please subscribe Toppo Kids.